How is it up there, Bretta?
Well, brother, I've been eating my vitamins and taking it all in with the big man.
Hulkamania is running wild up here, brother. One love me, Bretta.
Yo, Cat, how you got a job flipping burgers?
Well, I just got out of the pound and they said I have to get a job.
Yeah, kitty, you got to do what you got to do.
How is the night scene in the city?
Well, it's hard out there on the street.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Malik, how you been, Bretta? Well, Footer, 488 crew been doing good, making you look good out here, Bigfoot.
Thanks for that. Sub up for more people.
Susan, how are you always finding problems with everything?
Why is this a podcast? How are you not in Area 51?
I want to see a manager.
Bigfoot, listen, I seen the Pop the Balloon you were on last week. Was no one up to your standards?
No, I just like popping balloons and they all smelt like my ex.
Alien, how has it been since you joined the 488 crew? I mean, you beamed up lately?
Oh, nah. 488 crew been good to me, Foot. I've been to Jamaica and NYC.
Yeah, I'm here with a dude that has been on some top shows. Deshaun, how is the transition from big screen to 488 crew?
It's been a blast so far. I got to work with you and Malik, my guy.
Yo, sub up.
Yo, Goat, how has it been? I mean, I seen you with gold chains on trying to throw curry on people living in a room. You really from Jamaica, Goat?
Yo, real bad goat. Oh, boy. So today I am here with a crackhead. Listen, hide all the podcast equipment.
I used to be a crackhead.
Oh.
Anyway, I'm changing my life.
Well, that's all we have for today. Sub up.
Bigfoot, I can't believe that you have to go ultra to use the service that was in pro before. It's all about the money. Yo, sub up 4888 crew.
In essence, you are the man behind the 488 crew. Where are you getting these ideas from?
Oh, yeah, I haven't been paid yet.
Well, Foot. Today we got the Gangsters from GT. Welcome, guys. I knew it. The crackhead sold us out.
That video didn't do so well. Yeah.
Yeah, we were surprised that it didn't do better.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to twerk this one out, Bigfoot for life.
You think you could just come on my show?
What's going on, brother?
Get him!
So I told him, you can't park your spaceship there.
That's what you said?
Classic.
Autobots roll out, right? That's what you guys say.
You fleshlings always with the jokes. How about a plasma blast?
Welcome back, people. 488 got the Wolfman on here today. Did you get your rabies shot?
I'm not a dog. We Wolfmen don't get rabies. You know what? I should bite you.
So then I whispered, Optimus, these pine cones are extra crunchy today. And the views just poured in.
Indeed, Bigfoot.
I've been foraging for berries, but what I really crave is a good pizza.
Oh, I know a place that does the most amazing deep dish.
Yeah.
You monster track racers are different. I'm at the edge just watching the videos.
Yeah, it's crazy to some people, but it's our life and we enjoy it.
Yeah.
Do you prefer a fit bod or a dad bod?
Well, that's an interesting question.
Right.
You should join the 488 crew in your dreams.
So, Lion-O, how do you feel about cats flipping burgers?
Bigfoot, my friend. The universe is full of surprises.
Yo, are the results real?
You are the father. Hey, why are you dancing?
There is no music.
Are you not entertained? What's the best car you can drive?
I don't know, Bigfoot. We will have to find out on the next episode. This has been Storytelling 488 Skits. More to come. Like, sub up, and comment. We can't do it without you.